Timepiece Trading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out Timepiece Trading.
Timepiece Trading.
Yes, sir.
What's this here? Oh, another Richard.
Yeah, that's an RM diver. So those are like 60 grand, bro. It's a good entry point to the brand, you know?
Right, right. And this is still male, but just looks smaller. Or
It's a 40 millimeter. It's a
40.
great size. Like
And
on
these-
you, it'll look fire, bro.
And these big ones, like what size are these? 40.
This is
looks more like
44,
42. Okay,
44, 48.
that's huge. Okay. Yeah.
The McLaren is 48.
Here's some nice pieces, man.
Thank you, brother. But let's
That
show
orange
them more.
Patek, though. That's.
I have a bunch of Patek too, but I just brought a little bit to show you.
No, for sure. I appreciate that.
Even AP, I have over 100 in stock. So it was gonna be polished for Friday, but like I said, I owe you a polish whenever you want, bro.
Done deal.
For life. Yeah, the orange is killer, bro.
Yeah, that orange is me, but I'm telling you. Orange Urus next. That's what's next.
Hell yeah.
Orange
What a
Urus.
perf.
I do like the perf.
But honestly, bro, to me, the normal Urus that you can buy for 180, 190, yeah.
Wide body kit.
Oh, yeah. That's what I drive. I have a 2020 Urus with a wide body. Let me show you the warranty.
Yes, please.
The warranty is here, bro. So you check on the back of the watch. You'll see the serial number.
That's the serial
Matches.
number,
That's
okay.
the reference. That's the date.
That's it. All right, sweet deal.
Bro, keep these safe. You lose these, it's like losing 4 or 5K. You know. Like, and the orange is boutique edition. So
Bro,
it's
I've worn this up every day for like the last 2.5, 3 years, and it's so beat. I need to get it polished, bro.
I'll polish it for you, bro.
Okay, cool.
No problem. When you bring this to polish, give me the sub also. See, it's in good condition, but there's some marks, so I want to take all that out for you whenever you're ready.
And,
So,
all that'll come out, no issue.
bro,
yeah.
the watch will be new. If you're not happy, don't worry. You have all your money back. You'll be very happy
I'm
when
sure
it's
I'm
done.
gonna be happy, brother.
I love AP offshores. Like I have one also. I have an all black one.
I saw you were wearing like a, what is it, like a skeleton? It's like a stainless steel looking.
Yeah,
color.
that's my favorite watch in the world. The stainless steel
Oh,
open.
wow, bro, this
Bro,
is nice.
insane on you,
Check
Jason.
that out right there from the man himself, right there. Y'all know where to come shop.
Yo, I go to them and give them business, so
right here, you guys. see
I
it.
appreciate them coming back
Alright,
and
the
giving
finest
back.
carrier motor cars, baby.
It's for real, yo. I got
Yeah,
my last 3 Ferraris with you guys.
Yeah.
Bro. I bought an SF90, 812, and an F430 Spider.
Yeah,
Shout out to
the
these
birthday
guys.
F430 Spider.
And he took me on a drive, my first ever drive in a Hellcat.
Yeah, and he was ripping. He was ripping. Wow, Neil, this is beautiful, bro.
Bro, I got an AMG GTS, and it feels like a more classy Hellcat. Like it's deep, but the
It's a little
rumble.
lighter too, so it gets aggressive.
Yeah, I like it, man.
They're
Like it's
fun.
66K.
I see you been driving the Super a little bit too.
I tried, you know.
Tried.
Bro, see, I looked at a note when he gave it to me. I had 90 miles less than now, and it's been 2 years. I've driven 90 miles in 2 years.
And it stays at your house right
Yeah, I just have it. Art, bro. It's a piece of art.
Oh, yo, this is.
Which this is not
This
going
is
to be.
great.
This is art that you enjoy.
No, yeah, this is crazy, bro. Honestly, I never thought I'd own an AP. To be real, never really been a watch guy, honestly.
Bro, and that's
it
a-
just grew on me.
That's a boutique edition. Like if you go to the store, they only
They
usually
all-
have black, blue, green. There's like 3-4 colors. The orange was boutique, super limited, hard to get.
Fire. And then we can spice it up.
And you
with a
pay it
couple
under
different
retail,
color
bro.
bands. You guys heard it here from the man himself. Always blessing the family. Wow.
Let me see if I have anything here to show you before the showroom real quick.
Word. Oh, this is fire.
So it's a real Rolex. We just changed out
Changed
the
the
dial
dial.
to custom. Oh, there's a little pumps. We just got to repair. Did you tie it with pump? A nice watch actually, bro.
Am I tight with Pump? No. I've never even talked to him.
No, Steve and them are cool. They were beefing.
Yeah, I know, bro. We were at a frat party, and
I remember.
we were like trying to film, and all he
I
could
saw
do
it
is
in
like,
the
"Lil
fucking
Pump's a
vlog.
bitch." He's like trying to like text him, and we're like, "Bro, let's get drunk and hang out." He's like, "No, fuck Lil Pump."
But,
I don't even know how you start beefing with Lil Pump.
Yeah,
Steve
he's
is
so
the-
nice, bro. This is Cody's new watch. So
Normally,
normally,
didn't Steve used to have this
yeah,
one?
but normally the dial is just black. So you see how this one, it's like starry, the whole dial. I
Oh,
would
that's
open it,
fire.
but the shit's sealed from Jacob.
No, yeah, that's cool. How much is that?
These are 230 or 240. I sold it to somewhere. Retail's 280.
Okay, word.
You know, like look at this Jacob, bro. This is the Bitcoin Jacob.
These are the, oh wait, I posted this on before I had money. I posted this on my Instagram story. It was like 700 followers, but it was like one day I'm gonna have this. This is that's so cool.
These are cool.
Finally getting to see this.
But like on your wrist, that shit looks insane.
But that's cool. But I guess oh yeah, for the vlog guys, we're back at Neil's. Every time we come to Miami, we have to visit Neil, buy something
Last time
cool.
you stole an AP off me, bro.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Crazy.
I was super sick. I'll do it. We got to do a coin flip.
It was
today.
the first invoice I ever wrote for $0.
No way, bro.
Because it wasn't a gift, it was a sale for $0. You feel me? If it's a gift,
So
it goes
sick.
into expenses.
All right, word. Yeah, let's take a look at all this
Let's
stuff.
get it.
Do you have anything new?
I have
lots.
lots. Togi always. Come on, bro.
Whoa! This looks great, dude. Hell yeah, bro. This is super.
Actually,
sick.
this is what I did yesterday. Like we were setting all this up.
I remember last time I was here, it was empty.
Yeah.
There's nothing in here. You were making.
Today's
Oh wow!
day one, bro.
Oh, I gotta take a
You're
picture of this.
Like one of the first clients in this show.
This is so crazy.
Yeah, bro. That wall is like the candy store. All Richard.
Oh, dude, this looks so good. So much better than the bring out the black cases and you open it on a desk. Like it's so much thicker this way.
Honestly, you're the first opinion we're hearing, so I love it. Love to hear it.
Yeah, it looks super great, dude. All right, word. Well, I need something bust down, dude. I
want a bust
decided
down?
for the rest of my life, I'm only ever gonna wear bust down
Look at
watches.
this, bro. This is just a C. You've seen all the Skellies, but this one is limited 30 in the world. Like you shouldn't see that. Guess
Dude.
the price.
Probably retarded. I'm not a limited guy, Neil. I'm
You
not,
are.
like,
You're very limited. Togi.
not $1 million watch limited.
This is 750. It's not.
Yeah, dude, I can't.
Hey, well, because I've been trying to push you to a plain Jane. I'll show you one watch that I think you're.
All right,
gonna
one
like,
watch,
okay?
dude. It's better.
And
to
it's
be the
not
coolest
crazy
watch ever.
expensive, and it's money in the bank. Like it's an asset.
All right, let's see.
You know
let's
how
see.
watches are. Like if you want to sell it to me, I'll buy it back.
All right, word.
This watch I think you will like.
Bro, you know I'm not allowed to buy watches from Richard Mille anymore.
Why? What happened?
Because I went into a Richard Mille store and I was like, I want to buy this watch, but only if I can film it. And the sales guy, I think he didn't know what he's talking about. And he's like, yeah, no problem, you can film it. And so the watch, they're like, all right, word. 2 weeks later, they call me, the watch is ready. I go back and I got my camera and they're like, you can't film.
Well, the one we spoke about, 30.
Yeah, and I was like, I'm not going to buy it if I can't film it then. That's like the whole point. And then they were like, okay, well, now you can't buy watches anymore. And I was like, hell. That sucks. I guess get it from Neil now.
Bro, where do you go in the world where you have $300,000 at a store that you're gonna spend, and they tell you what to do and what not
I
to
know.
do,
It's,
and then they tell you you can't ever buy it?
Like never again. I can never buy a Richard Mille
You
from
guys
Richard
should
Mille.
learn customer service from Richard Mille. All right, so this is called a tourbillon, bro.
Oh, dude.
So this is always gonna be moving. It's actually the most complicated feature you can have in a watch. So there, you know, you're paying for something. You know, there's value, and factory diamonds. I've always told you, bro, I want you to rock something factory diamonds, just because it's a safer
This is heavy. Is it platinum?
platinum.
Yeah. Dude, this is
And
fire.
if anyone
They,
sees a Togi, they're talking about it, bro. Trust me.
You know the producer Michael guy?
Yeah.
He's always talking about tourbillons.
This is a platinum tourbillon. So this is like elite. You feel
Look
me?
how fire this is, guys.
Look in the mirror too, right there. I'm getting you the price.
Oh yeah, that's fire.
It's Richard Price, you know, it's up there, but it's something factory.
Dude, yeah, I don't know who you think I am. I
You're a
cannot
boss.
spend $300,000 on a watch. Well,
Also,
physically,
Togi, look, this one. I don't know if you fuck with the rainbows. This is 1 of 10 in the world.
dude, I need
No,
like
two-
1 of 20,000 in the world. This is ridiculous.
230,000. It's not.
Oh, that's not bad at
That's
all.
what I'm saying. Even this is around that price, Togi.
I think my most expensive watch is
The Patek, right?
which ones do you think more expensive?
The chandelier
AP
and the
or
Patek are like
about
even,
the same.
both worth around 100, 110.
Yeah. Those, dude, this would be doubling that whole situation.
But it's factory.
How much is this watch? I can already tell this is too expensive.
It's
But
like
very
240,
cool.
250.
That's okay. I'm talking about like 70,000.
Okay,
I
let me
want to
check.
see
Give me this.
the bust down Richards.
And
that we
Togi,
talked
what about this? Do you like this? Because this is super cheap.
No, it's not, bro. It's super cheap. My
like
ass.
140-ish.
Oh my god, that's the fucking most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. This is super cheap, but it's a cheap. This is the coolest watch in this case.
That's a limited 20 in the whole world. 20
Oh my god, how much is it?
Like
600.
300.
Oh, okay, word. I don't know. I don't love this, but what I do love is
Avi, get someone to bring me my laptop.
Tiffany looking one. This is a cool looking watch. So these are like the cheaper ones, or what?
Let me show you. Oh, that Tiffany one is limited also.
Jesus Christ,
It's
dude.
the UAE edition. No, you
I
want
don't
to
even
see
know
lower end? I'll show you. So there's a lot of nice rollies there. I don't know if you want to look at it.
No, I'm topped out on the Rolexes. Well, and that's no, I know. No. I want the I gotta see the bust down Richards.
This is a nice bust down, inexpensive. I bought it good. Do you have a Cartier Santos?
No, Pusha T talks shit about them, so I never bought one.
This is
Let
the
me see it, though.
skeleton, so it's like the most elite it gets you for,
Alright,
for
I'll
the
take a
brand.
look at that. Because I have the bust down AP, bust down Patek, bust down Rolex.
You need a bust down Richard.
I got the
also.
bust down G-Shocks now, and now I need a bust down Richard.
Let me see if I have one here, and then I can give you the price and get it for you.
Alright, wait.
Because I saw Sean had one last week.
Also, dude, I'm gonna get a Fortnite pendant when I have next time I win big.
Like your tattoo?
Yeah, it's gonna be Victory Royale.
That's gonna be
pendant.
crazy.
It'll
It's
be
gonna
fire.
be big as fuck.
Yeah, I want it like.
Yeah.
I want to spend like 100 on it.
This is a nice watch for under 30, bro. Box papers, everything.
Oh, that is pretty cheap.
Yeah.
I would
But
never.
jewelers sell this for like 35, and if you like it, I'll give you your price. Very inexpensive.
Togi price.
Yeah, Togi price.
Code Togi at Timepiece.
Yeah, you like that one, right? We'll keep it on.
Yeah, we'll keep this out.
Because these jewelers, they have retail stores. They think you're on vacation in New York and you're walking in one time and that's it. Like they gotta eat as much as they can on that one time, you know. Me, I try to do it different.
Oh, see, that's what I'm talking
I try to,
about
like,
right there.
You know, like when you go wear a watch from me and people ask you how much you paid, I want them to be like, damn, how the fuck you get that deal? Connect me, you know?
Like you can even see the difference because the.
Yeah, it's emeralds versus round diamonds. But
What's the difference between the emerald and the other one?
emeralds are more expensive. For this
No,
cut
no,
of diamond,
not. What's the other cut that looks like the exact same?
baguette.
Yeah, what's the difference?
It's just a slight difference in the cut. I can show you if we have, like on pictures.
Bro, this shine, like it's so sleek. It just like watered throughout. Like this one, the rounds just don't look as good. All right, yeah, let's coin flip the whole thing.
The whole thing.
We'll do a big flip. Okay, how about this? How about this?
Very cheap, I gave you already.
Well,
I wish I went
let's-
higher, man.
This guy right here. How much is it again, Neil?
For you, 95,000, brother.
We'll flip. Last time you guys saw, I fucking won a free AP off
You
Neil.
stole an AP?
I come here every time I come here. I'm gonna. That's the plan. I'm gonna win 16 coin flips in a row with Neil. And then I'm gonna open my own watch store. It's gonna be TimePieceTrading. It's gonna be way sicker. We're gonna have the exact same logo, TPT, but it's TimePieceTrading. So yeah, you down to coin flip the whole thing? Free or 90? Or right,
guys,
free or
I'm gonna keep
180?
it real. This morning, Togi was like,
Free.
I'm coming to the office, and I already thought I have to get this guy back for last time.
I
I wasn't expecting you to pick up a watch that big.
We talked about this one. You knew I was coming for
Yeah, I didn't know it was today, bro.
this watch, bro. This is then my collection's
90.
complete, guys.
So you're saying 90, 0 or 190 is what you're saying.
Well, dude, I'll even do yeah. No.
Right?
How much? Yeah. No.
You want to go all or nothing?
0 180.
You're doing the math wrong, buddy.
That's the math, dude. What is
95
it?
times 2 is 190.
Okay. 0 or 185.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay,
It's a
fine.
negotiator, master negotiator. Get
Wait,
fucked,
let me
Neil.
think.
That's positive
100K
RTP.
coin flip, bro?
Yeah. Boom. Shake it up.
You know, most people I'd ask them
Dude,
to
let's
pay
go.
me up front. But,
Oh,
but
before?
trust
No,
you,
I got
trust
you, bro. I got you. You also
Fine.
have my other watch. You can not give it
True
back.
that. Let me get a coin, alright?
I'm stuck.
No
All
shot.
right, guys, here we go. We're
No
with
shot,
Neil.
2 in a row.
Now we're going.
We're with Neil. This is the final. I got the bust down Ape Izzard, the bust down Petizzard, bust down Relizard. I don't like Cartier, so we're getting the last bust down of the collection, Richard Mille. And Neil has agreed to coin flip the watch with me. So what coins do we have here?
So that's a $95,000 watch for Togi. We sell it for more usually.
for free after this.
Well, we're gonna flip double or nothing. So it's 190 or 0. He said 95 times 2 is 185. So.
yeah, 185 or 0.
All right.
Let me see these coins.
So we got the Bitcoin and the Trump coin. Tell me which one you want.
The Bitcoin.
All right.
All right.
You flip, I call.
Yeah.
I bet.
All right.
Yo,
Oh god,
no
I'm
cheating,
nervous.
bro.
What? So this is what is the tails or what?
That's the I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I guess that's heads and
Heads, tails.
that's the coding for behind the Bitcoin.
Oh, I'm nervous, dude.
I'm gonna
I
just
gotta
say Bitcoin or code. All right.
All right, Bitcoin code. Here we go, guys. Free Richard Mille or double Richard Mille.
Bitcoin.
No! Oh wait! Yes! Bang! Get fucked up! Boom! Give me some!
Bro, 2 times.
Give
in a
me
row.
some free Richard Mille! Where is this?
Bro, that's crazy.
I'm out of here.
Yo, you
Boom!
Bro.
Let's.
Dude,
You said that last second too.
Bro,
Oh,
two
let's
times
go,
in a row,
dude.
this guy comes here.
Let's go. Look how tough this shit is, guys.
I don't like Togi coming to TPT.
Oh my god, 2 for 2 against Neil. Next time we're flipping for something even bigger. Every time the stakes get higher, 200,000 for the next one. Thank you, Neil. Always good doing
I think
business.
Steve paid like 90 for his first one.
I had an insurance policy on this because I came here knowing I was gonna try and get Neil to coin flip like a huge watch, and then I was planning to go to the casino after this anyway. So no matter what, I was gonna win because if you crunch the numbers, what you lose that coin flip, then you just take 100 to baccarat, make 100. No matter but then it would have been 185. Oh, that wouldn't have been an uphill battle. But either way, it was gonna be free. Today, dude, luck is in the air.